Good medical morning. This is Watson with a Father's Day pimple popping extravaganza. Today we're going to recommend 3 great gifts for Dad while also showing off incredible medical videos. And stick around because I'm going to tell you what this condition is at the end of the video. First, check out these amazing pimple popping and blackhead removal clips. And while you watch, I'll recommend my favorite pimple popping kit. With 7 tools, 14 heads, including a lancet, and a handy carrying case. You can't go wrong. The kit in the description is less than 15 bucks and includes free Amazon Prime shipping. Next up are my favorite blackhead removal masks. These facial masks are incredible at rejuvenating skin and cleaning pores. You get 2 bottles for $20, which gives you enough for the whole family to use. Admit it, you want to clean your dad's zits for Father's Day. Next, let's look at some horrible dental plaque clips. Don't let your dad have gross teeth. Although it won't clean plaque, get him teeth whitening pens for a fresh smile and whiter teeth. By the way, did you determine what this is? It's a capillary hemangioma. The red marks are common on children and usually go away by age 7. Alright, get those Amazon Prime orders going. Pick up any of these gifts for him, Mom, or even treat yourself. Let's watch a few more pimple pops before the end of the video.